tuturuan ko kayo ng malupitang warm-up. Okay, this is my warm-up gameplay, guys. Warm-up gameplay. Watch, listen, and learn. Gameplay, baby boy. That's a warm-up, boy! Babasahan kita ng Latin. Ako, tumakas na. Napatakbo na nga si tropa. Napatakbo na si tropa. Why are you running? Why are you running? Babasahan ko pa lang ng Latin eh. Tumakbo na. Walang yung mga kalaban to. Natatakbo, boss. Babasahan ko pa lang ng Latin eh. Nako po! Super Bok labas. Unod. Bokbok. Bokbok. Unod. Nice one. Nadali. Let's go. Okay. Maghanap muna tayo ng kalaban. Let's fight enemies. Bang! Nadali. Give me that snowy boy. Give me this snowy boy. Okay, enemies over there. We need vehicle, guys. We need vehicle. Tara, guys. Pagbibigwasan na natin. Ayy! Why did you do that shit, bruh? Nice try, boy. Let's enter in the sound, guys. Pasok muna tayo sa sound para alam nyo yun, konting problema lang yung makuha natin. Then, before anything else, upgrade first.
Bruh.
That's the calculation. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, enemies over there. You're dead, boy!
Bruh.
Sayang. Okay, guys, Arsenal. Let's go. Na, execute. Nadali ka. We're waiting for the next enemies. Waitings. Oh, okay. Dipo kage. Killing my enemies, Wanna run? Nice try, boy! Okay, guys, naghahanap pa tayo ng marami pang kalaban. We are finding the mini enemies. Wala naman natang kalaban to dito, boss. Parang nagkakaubusan na. Naku po, palubog ang good aim nito, boss. Okay, enemies over there. I'm coming for you. Bang! Gigil na ako ba? Piso na lang yun eh. Di pa matay eh. Akyat pa eh. Stupid. Piso na lang eh. Di pa matay. Finding more enemies. Boy. I can hear the footstep over there. It's Hoverbike. Let's go. Enemies, Testing mo ya? Testing mo. Nice try, boy. Nice try, Nice try. You did your best. Very well to you. You did your best. Farewell to you. Have a good night. Ay! Stupid. You deserve that shit.
Bruh.
Let's go. Okay guys, 1 versus squad. 1v4 situation. Uy, 1v3 situation. We have the SMRS auto reload. Automatic reload yan, boss. Ako gumagamit eh. Lumabas ka. Woo! Kahit kiniisan mo, ayos lang. Relive to. Tanga. Wala magkita pag nag-relive ka dito sa TikTok. Well, pag gumagawa nun dito sa TikTok, boss. Relive ka ng code M, tapos replay mo lang. Basic guys, easy win. Kahit ang lakas ng tama ng kupal yan, binibigyan ka na nga ng malupitang highlights, relive. Hindi porkit lagi kong dinudurog ang mga kalaban, sasabihin mo replay. Hindi porkit araw-araw ko ginagawa yung pandudurog ng ibang player, sasabihin mong replay. Bata pagkukul.